All right, guys, I'm going to talk a little bit today about home insurance, and kind of what I want to lay out is what's been going on and why your rates have been going up, because that's what's been going on for most people in the last 12 to 18 months is they've seen some significant increases in their home insurance rates. And initially, a lot of that has been due to the inflation increases over the last few years that have been very significant. Building materials have increased. The cost of services have increased. If you've had to pay for anything to be done on your house, it's been a huge increase in price just in the last few years. And that the reason that's affecting your insurance is because when there are claims and those homes have to be fixed, the price of those goods have gone up. So insurance carriers have had to try to make up for that with increased premiums to adjust for inflation. So that's been one of the main issues is inflation. Another of the main issues has been the increase in frequency of natural disasters across the nation, between wildfires, tornadoes, hurricanes, storms. It's kind of been just a huge disaster across the board over the last several years, which has just again continued to compound the issue with the price of home insurance. And a lot of people ask, well, how does that affect me if I'm not having any claims? And unfortunately, that's the way insurance works is you're in the pool with everybody else. So just because you've not had any claims doesn't mean the company isn't going to take an increase because what they've experienced across the board has been a major increase in claims. So yours might not have gone up near as much if you for not having a claim versus having a claim, but it's still it's still spread out amongst everybody that's in the pool. That's just how it works. So I do hear people say that a lot. They say, I'm not having any claims, why is mine going up? And that's just kind of part of how insurance works, unfortunately. So between inflation, the cost of everything going up in price, trying to fix everything, costs more, between natural disasters, the frequency of those increasing significantly in the last several years, it has just caused home insurance rates to go through the roof. A lot of companies, they have put stipulations on, if you're trying to get a new quote, they put stipulations on the age of your roof, because the roof is where a lot of claims come from. Windstorms are where a significant amount of claims come from across the nation, just from severe thunderstorms, with just high winds. So if you're trying to get a new quote on your house and you've got a roof that's over 15 years old, you are going to be very limited in companies that will even look at giving you a policy right now. So if you're somebody that fits in that category of a roof that's older than 15 years, you're looking to shop your home insurance, it's tough. It's just tough. If it's less than 15 years, there's a possibility that you can find a more affordable option. But here's what you might have to give up, because in addition to some of the stipulations on roof age, these home insurance providers have also increased the standard deductible. You can't get a $500 or $1,000 deductible anymore. It's $2,500 or 1%. That's kind of becoming the more standard deductible that a lot of the home insurance carriers are going to. They're trying to mitigate that risk by requiring increased deductibles on your home insurance policy. So you may save a little bit of money on the premium itself, but you are giving up some on that deductible if you do go to another policy. But that's just been what everybody has dealt with the last couple of years is significantly increased home insurance. Some people have doubled or more in the last couple of years on that, and it's just unfortunate with what you're having to deal with, what all the natural disasters, the people that have lost homes, dealt with claims because of all those natural disasters. So if you're shop, you can shop, but just be aware you may be limited to your options. But if you are looking to shop, we'd be more than happy to help you. We have multiple carriers that we deal with on a regular basis that we know how they operate, and we know whether or not your house would fit in them or not. And again, just reach out to us, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks for listening. Talk to you next time.